In this lesson, we will continue to use the FSAE steering wheel render file as we look at the other rendering tools in Fusion 360. Since we've looked at in-canvas rendering, we need to look at the other kinds of rendering available in Fusion 360. I'll start the render tool from the end of the toolbar, and in the rendering settings dialog, we see many options are available. Near the top of the dialog is a series of options: web, mobile, print, and video. This will give you a range of options with predefined image size and resolution. Using the custom option can give you some additional flexibility. We will select the web format at 800 by 600 resolution. Below the format settings, we can choose whether to use the local system or the cloud rendering capabilities. When local rendering is selected, I can choose the basic quality level, or I can use advanced settings. One thing that's important to note is that when I begin a local rendering, Fusion 360 can still be used, but the rendering might affect system performance. When it's complete, the local rendering will appear in the render gallery. When cloud rendering is selected, the dialog will show how many cloud credits will take to generate the rendering. Changing the resolution will update this value. Running the cloud rendering at its lower resolution with standard quality is not going to use cloud credits. While the cloud rendering is being processed, I'm free to do things with my system because the processing is being done on the cloud. This is a great thing for large renderings or if you're trying to create renderings with modest hardware. When the cloud render is complete, it will be added to the gallery. We can select it and open a view on the screen. In this preview window, we can choose to re-render, render as a turntable with 6 or 36 frames, which will create a rendering that allows the image to be spun around. You can choose to download, delete, or share the image from this window. Once again, the save icon is grayed out because we've made no changes to the file itself through this process.